Hello everyone. Today we will be multiplying a multi-digit number by a one-digit number using area models. A good way to think about this is that we are not going to do one tough problem, but a few simple problems. Think about it this way. 657 times 8 might be a hard problem, but if we use expanded form and an area model, it becomes three simple problems. Okay, let's use 657 times 8 to learn how to multiply using expanded form and an area model. The first thing that we have to do is write both our multiples in expanded form. We don't have to worry about 8 because it is a one-digit number. Now let's look at 657. This number is made up of 6 hundreds, 5 tens, and 7 ones. So in expanded form, we would write this as 600 plus 50 plus 7. Now that we have written both numbers in expanded form, it is time to draw our area model. To draw an area model, we start with a simple rectangle. Now we need to add our multiples. First, we will add 8 along the side of the area model. Once we write that down, we'll add 600 plus 50 plus 7 to the top of the area model. After we are done writing our numbers, we make enough rows and columns for each of our digits. We drew our area model. Now what? Now we need to shift our digits into their place in the area model so that we can multiply them. Let's start with 600. Notice how 600 is at the top of the area model. A good way to think about this is that every number at the top of an area model is at the top of an apartment building. They need to ride an elevator straight down into their room. So 600 rides the elevator down into its room and decides to hang out for the afternoon. Now we repeat the same process for 50 and 7. Okay, so what about the 8 we have on the side? We can think about 8 as a guest that wants to visit friends. 8 moves across all three rooms until it reaches the end. The area model is set up and we moved all of our numbers to where they need to be. Now it's time to move on to the multiplication. Earlier I mentioned that 657 times 8 can be tough. Now we don't need to worry about that because we have three simple problems. Let's start with 600 times 8, which is 4,800. Then we can solve 50 times 8, which is 400. Finally, we can multiply 7 times 8, which is 56. See, that wasn't so bad. Now we just finished the problem by adding all of our partial products to get 5,256. Let's go over the steps one more time. First, we write each of our multiples in expanded form. Second, we draw an area model for our multiples. After that, we move our multiples into the correct boxes in the area model. Then we multiply the digits within each box. And finally, we add all of our partial products. Once you've done all that, you have multiplied using an area model. Thank you for taking the time to drop by and watch this video, and I hope that it was useful in your math adventure. Once again, thank you and have a great time.